Last year we featured incredible product on this channel and seems like you guys really liked it. We made simple drinks that momentarily became super attractive after we added just a tiny bit of this magic powder, also known as edible glitter. There was a lot of feedback from you guys here and also on Instagram. Someone said just use a dry ice so it will constantly move glitter in the drink and it always look great. And you also asked us to experiment with different cocktails, so let's do that. So in this video we wanted to make a lot more to show to you where to use it best, how to achieve this magnificent effect. This edible glitter we will be using in today's video. It was kindly provided by our friends from a company called Brew Glitter. This is by far the best glitter we tried. They are leaders in the market. I will leave all the links in the description where you can get it, but few important things to mention. There are 21 different flavors, including some of really flashy like teal, soft pink, rose gold, silver, and a lot more. It's made with the FDA approved ingredients. It's totally vegan, dairy and gluten free. I'm actually still vegan, just in case if you're curious. It's absolutely tasteless, which is super awesome for us because we need to add visual part to already tasty cocktails, right? And Brew Glitter do different packing. You can order in bulk. Let's say you can add a cocktail into your menu and you need a lot of the product, so they make it really convenient for us. And last thing to mention, there is free shipping on orders over $35, but I think that's only for US, so I'm not sure. You would have to check out on the website. All information on their website. Let's start with simple drinks. Let's take two different pink colors. It was really cool, like you see gold, purple, silver, pretty cool, fun colors. Pink, and let's do rose gold. And for example, you need to make just some simple drinks for Valentine's Day. If for any reasons you don't want to do handcrafted cocktails, or if you don't know how to make handcrafted cocktails, check out. So now let's make two simple highballs. Let's do vodka soda and vodka tonic. Simple. And we're going to add tiny bit of glitter. So let's start with the pink, small spoon, and we're going to add just very little. No, it's actually a lot, a super tiny amount. So let's add here. And then we're also going to use the rose gold, so really like cool colors for Valentine's Day. Ooh. And now we're going to stir. Woo! This is really amazing, right? Of course, when you stop stirring, it's not going to be the same effect. But usually when you put a straw, so you basically just sit and then you like stir your drink once in a while and then drink. Look at this absolute beauty. Actually, if you ask me, for Valentine's Day, this probably would fit better. Gold color just kind of like looks a little more attractive. Check it out closer. Just keep in mind, it's not always that pretty. When you stop swirling around, when you stop stirring, that effect actually stopping. But if you just stir with a straw or like 1-2 times back and forth, it again looks really nice. So this is pretty cool way to impress your loved ones on Valentine's Day. But let me show to you pretty cool variations. It's really similar, but you need to use raspberries. I'm sure you can agree that it makes clear drinks so beautiful. But let's try to make, let's say, Cosmo and add purple glitter to see how it looks. So this is the original Cosmopolitan, but let's try to add a little bit of the prepared gold, or let's go with orange. Let's see how it will look with the orange glitter. I also going to add just a little bit, because don't forget you need very tiny amount, so even this little thing should last for a while. Stir. But you can just let me know in the comments, honestly, what do you like better, this look or the original one? Because I think this one was pretty awesome. You see, it doesn't even have any ice, and you can serve it like this. I know not all of you are going to be happy about my next move, but let's try to mix glitter with Jaeger. And we will use white glitter. also tiny amount. Almost forgot to mention that actually glitter mixes really easy, but never completely dissolves, so it's always staying there until you finish a drink. Okay, let's see how good it looks with white one. Let me try to show you a little bit closer. Okay, now let's try to add into champagne my favorite color, teal. Walter White is back. Look at this glamorous party. And let's see it closer. How about St. Patrick's Day beer? Instead of adding food coloring, let's add green glitter and see how it looks. Yeah, adding food coloring is already old. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I was expecting something like that. Let's see it closer one more time. So I think the best way to use glitter is actually to make boring looking drinks a lot more exciting. Drinks like maybe margarita don't have nice color, but adding a little bit of edible glitter makes that wow effect that makes everyone like, hey, wow, what is that you drinking? I want to have the same. Before you say something bad in comments that it's trashy drinks for like being consumed at college parties, let me remind to you that original interest for drinks with glitter actually came after noticing recipe at the American bar Savoy in London. You know that bar is super famous for having incredible drinks. They're like way up there. Thank you guys for watching. Please check the best channel on YouTube. Okay, hold my camera. If you would like to support this channel, please check out the t-shirts in the link in the description. Like and subscribe to have the best 2020. Thanks again. Cheers. Enjoy glitter responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.